Hi my friends, Ian again here with a new video. This one, if we don't get this right, nothing will happen. So what have we done? What have we added? It's nothing new, but it makes sense to add it as a fifth step. Up until today, there's only been 4 steps to success. Well, there is actually a fifth one, and without it, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Okay, so let's just run through the steps again. So in step 1, branding you, that is important. Brand you, not somebody else or a program. So please follow that. Step 2, finding a profitable niche, something that you can make money with, whether it be Buildabizonline, that is a profitable niche. Okay, it's called a primary program. So you're looking for at least 1 or 2 primary programs to make real money online. Okay, all I ever use is Buildabizonline. People need tools, and it is a primary business. So finding a profitable niche, you will see some ideas in there. Step 3, your programs page. Each and every member, whether they are free or upgraded, gets a program page where they can add from 1 to 20 of their own ads, depending on what level you're at. Okay, and that will be a page where you're promoting 1 to 20 ads on it, just using one link. Brilliant page. It was our very first tool. Step 4 is another page, and you can add 10 button banners on a page. I generally use that for advertising my traffic programs, my advertising programs. Now, on the subject of advertising, this is really important. Step 5 is a link to our traffic downline builder, and people are not clicking on it. So I'm adding it as an important step. Advertising. You can do all 4 steps. You can complete all 4 steps. You can join thousands of traffic exchanges. You can join a couple of primary businesses. But unless you advertise, it is like having a shop full of goods and the curtain shut and the door fastened. Nobody can come in and see what you have got to offer. So, step 5, let us click on it. At the moment, there's no video in there. I'm making the video right now to put in here. So, advertising, your key to success. It is a key to success. It's an important step, and the last step here at Buildabizonline, step 5. So what we've done is added some of the programs that we use, the most successful ones, that is helping us to build our lists here at Buildabizonline and in other programs, and to put money in our banks or our pockets. Okay, so there's a number of programs here. You can join them free. You can upgrade if you wish. If you upgrade, you will get more benefits, the same as you do here at Buildabizonline. So there is a number of programs there for you to join. Let's look at this one here. If you like traffic exchanges, or you want your business to be shown in a number of advertising places, then a co-op is the answer. If you don't like surfing and you don't like doing a lot of work advertising, then a co-op is for you, and that is the one that I use mainly. Okay, then we've got some traffic exchanges. We've also got some viral mailers and solo ad programs. All these are what put money in our most successful members' pockets. So please look through them. Join them if you wish. If you're already joined, then put your username or your ID in the boxes. Okay. If not, join them and then do that. Put your usernames and your IDs in the boxes and then click this. That way, when you have somebody join you in Buildabizonline, they can click on there and it will be your link. It will be your link. At the moment, I'm in my members area. So if I scroll over the top of that, bottom left, you will see my URL. Okay, my affiliate link. When you join and you join these programs and add the usernames or the IDs, it will be yours. So your downline will join you in these programs too. So it's very successful for us. So you need to advertise. You've got to advertise, advertise, advertise. Now, some of our members that are brand new to affiliate marketing have said, I have joined these programs. I have surfed in this one, Jungle Clicks Traffic. I have added my links and I've added 10 credits and I've had no success yet. You need to do a lot more work than that. If you think about big companies like Coca-Cola, I've used those as an illustration before. They spend not $10 here, there, and everywhere. They spend billions on advertising. Now, you don't need to do that, okay? But they spend billions, not just a few pounds or a few dollars here and there. So, buy, whatever, lots of credits and keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. It is a numbers game. The more you get your links out there for people to see, the better chance that you've got of building your downlines, building your list, and also making money online. So, a very, very important fifth step, advertising your business. Thanks for listening and bye for now.